If you've been noticing higher energy bills, drafts near your windows, or rooms that feel too hot in summer and too cold in winter, it may be time to consider new window installation. Replacing old, inefficient windows is one of the most effective ways to enhance both comfort and energy efficiency in your home. Modern windows are designed with advanced materials and technology that go far beyond the capabilities of older models. They keep your home at a more consistent temperature, reduce energy loss, and create a quieter, more comfortable living space, all while lowering your utility bills. Here's how new windows make a lasting difference for your comfort, energy savings, and overall home value. Eliminating drafts and uneven temperatures. One of the biggest comfort issues in older homes is air leakage. Over time, window frames can warp or crack, seals deteriorate, and gaps form around the edges, allowing hot or cold air to seep inside. This leads to uneven temperatures from room to room and makes your heating and cooling systems work harder than necessary. New, professionally installed windows eliminate these drafts with advanced weather stripping that creates a tight, airtight seal. Insulated frames that prevent heat transfer. Precision installation that ensures a perfect fit for every opening. As a result, you'll notice fewer temperature fluctuations, especially near windows, and a more consistent level of comfort throughout your home. No more cold spots in winter or overly warm rooms in summer. Reducing energy loss through improved insulation. Up to 30% of a home's energy loss can come from inefficient windows. Modern window designs have revolutionized how homes conserve energy by using materials that minimize heat transfer. Energy-efficient windows often feature double or triple pane glass for superior insulation. Gas fills, such as argon or krypton, between panes to reduce heat loss. Low emissivity coatings that reflect heat while allowing natural light in. During the summer, low-E coatings help keep your home cool by reflecting solar heat, and in the winter, they reflect indoor heat back inside. This dual performance ensures that your HVAC system doesn't have to work overtime, which directly translates to lower energy bills and reduced wear on your heating and cooling equipment. Enhancing natural light without the heat. Many homeowners hesitate to add or replace windows for fear of bringing in too much heat or glare. However, today's high-performance glass allows you to enjoy abundant natural light while blocking out excessive heat and harmful UV rays. This not only makes your home feel brighter and more open but also protects your furniture, flooring, and decor from sun damage and fading. By controlling how sunlight enters your home, new windows help create a more pleasant, naturally lit environment that feels comfortable all year long. Lowering energy bills and environmental impact. The energy savings from new windows are not just noticeable, they're measurable. Homeowners who replace outdated single-pane or drafty windows can save hundreds of dollars per year in energy costs. Because your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures, it uses less energy overall. This not only reduces your utility bills but also helps lower your carbon footprint. Energy-efficient windows are a smart, eco-conscious choice that benefits both your household and the environment. Many modern windows are even ENERGY STAR certified, ensuring they meet strict standards for efficiency and performance. Noise reduction for a more peaceful home. New windows don't just make your home more energy efficient, they also make it quieter. The same features that prevent air leaks also help block out unwanted outdoor noise, such as traffic, lawnmowers, or neighborhood activity. If you live in a busy area, double or triple pane windows with insulating gas and laminated glass can significantly reduce noise levels, creating a calmer, more relaxing indoor environment. Long-term value and comfort. While window replacement requires an upfront investment, the long-term benefits are undeniable. You'll enjoy lower energy costs, increased comfort, better air quality, and improved curb appeal. Plus, new windows can increase your home's resale value, making them one of the most cost-effective upgrades available. With proper installation and maintenance, modern windows can last decades, offering reliable performance and lasting peace of mind. Final thoughts. Investing in new, Energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest decisions a homeowner can make. Not only do they enhance comfort and reduce energy waste, but they also improve your home's beauty, value, and sustainability. By upgrading your windows, you're creating a more comfortable, efficient, and peaceful home. One that works with the seasons, not against them. So if you're ready to enjoy year-round comfort and lasting energy savings, now is the perfect time to explore your window replacement options.